Welcome to our little how-to video for Lensa's job search. We're going to help you find your dream job. So first thing you're going to do, aside from knowing your career goals, is you're going to go to lensa.com and sign in. Pretty simple login. You just enter the title of the job that you're looking for, and Lensa will auto-suggest to you some handy different professions. Location, email address, and then click submit. And here you are. This information we need you to provide so that we can make it easier for employers to contact you once you submit your resume. So just check these boxes once you've entered your telephone number and area code. And you're off to the races. Okay, good job. So the first thing you need to do is start filling in your profile. This is very helpful to us because, well, we can't find the right job for you unless we know what you're looking for, what your experience is. So this is helping us get to know you so that we can match companies to you better. You also have the option of letting companies find you by making a resume available to them. We recommend doing that. All you need to do is just upload your resume. We accept all the standard files from PDFs to docs, docx's, and so on. You'll even see a few job openings advertised to you right at the beginning. We're going to suggest these based on the information we've collected so far. As the next step, we ask that you verify your email address. Great. So now we're going to take a look at some of Lensa's company pages. You can get to these from the start page. Once you are in a company page, you can also click around to other types of companies. You'll see them suggested to you. Lensa has been collecting data on millions of companies since our founding, and basically this is going to make your career choices and your job search much easier. It gives you sort of a dashboard where you can curate your own experience and look for the types of things that interest you. And if you see a job opening that you like, just click read more. It will expand and you can usually apply directly. If you scroll down on the company page, there are all kinds of neat little data points that will tell you things like, you can filter by departments, you can look for how many years of experience employees in a particular division have. And interesting, it's also going to tell you like the previous employers that people who work at this company now have and the industries that they have backgrounds in. This is really useful to you because it can give you an idea of how their career path was structured. And if you are following similar career goals, you can check out the companies that these people worked at before, follow their career path, and get some inspiration from it, and also find companies that are hiring now for these positions. There's some interesting stats on age. So it's just a lot of different ways of getting to know the company before you apply. You can also see how diverse their employees are. You can filter by gender. And once you click on a particular profession, you get to our occupation pages. These give you an overview of what it takes to play this particular role in a company. And they're also really useful to statistics on how many years people usually stay on this career trajectory, how long they last in these positions, how frequently they change companies, or how likely they are to change companies but still stay with the same title. And as we discussed about career paths, this is also an overview of how people get to where they are. And you can follow in those paths or take them as an inspiration. And again, on the occupation pages, just like on the company pages, you'll find many useful demographics and statistics, all of which have been collected by our data team. If you like an occupation or want to know more about open jobs, you can just click Show Me here. You can also filter down, explore the career advancement opportunities at various companies in different departments. We can even predict the future. at least we can draw conclusions based on the past about what companies, employees of a given company are most likely to work at afterwards. And here in the Q&A section, you'll find frequently asked questions about companies. We are always looking for others to help job seekers in the community answer these questions. So if you have experience at one of these companies, please stop and answer a question, leave a review of the company. You can also rate the company on various categories. This is our feature, how do I match this company? This is really, really useful, and I encourage everyone to try it. This is sort of like speed dating for job opportunities. So Lensa is going to based on your job experience, your resume, and your goals, Lensa is going to scan millions of data points on the companies that we've had and job openings that have been over time on Lensa, and come up with a suggestion of the exact companies that match you and your goals the best.